Hi guys, I'm Shivang from websitelearners.com. Today I'll be showing you how you can create your business email address for free. So after watching this video, instead of you using a normal Gmail account like this one, you'll be able to use an email ID like yourname@yoursite.com, which looks a lot more professional. Now this means you'll be able to send or receive emails using addresses like contact@yoursite.com or support@yoursite.com. So after you create a business email, we'll see how you can connect your business email with Gmail so that everything can be managed in one place. So all you need to have to follow this tutorial is a domain name with GoDaddy. So if you don't have a domain name, you can get it now just by clicking here. So you can get the domain and then follow this tutorial. So after you've got the domain, now if you try to create an email account on that domain, you would need to pay about $5 a month for creating a business email. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can avoid paying that amount and create your business email address for free. So let's get started. We're going to create a business email address in just 5 steps. The first step is to log into GoDaddy. So let's go to godaddy.com. And then click sign in. Now sign into your account. Okay, so now I've signed in. And you can see that this is the domain that I have on my account. So we're going to set up the email on this domain. So to do that, let's go to step 2, which is to create an email forward in GoDaddy. So by creating the forward, we'll be able to forward all the mails coming to your business email to your Gmail inbox. So let's create a forward. Let's scroll down and click additional products. The next to email forwarding, click redeem. Now click create forward. Now in this field, enter the business email address that you want to create. It can be anything at your domain.com. So I'm going to type contact at. Now when you type at, it will automatically show the domain that you have purchased on a GoDaddy account. So you can select it. And then here you need to enter a Gmail address. Now here we are telling GoDaddy to forward all the mails sent to this address to a Gmail address. Okay? So let's click create. And our email forward has been created. So now let's go to step 3, which is to check if our DNS settings are correct. In order to ensure that the emails are being forwarded, we need to make sure that our DNS is set up correctly. So to check our DNS settings, click Tools and click Server Settings. Okay, so now you can see that we are getting an error message which says no MX records were found. So this means the forward we just created will not work. So we're going to fix this first before moving on to the next step. So to fix your DNS, you need to first go to your DNS settings page and enter the settings given here. So since I've got my hosting with GoDaddy, I'm going to change the DNS there. But if you're using a different hosting provider, you need to change your DNS from there. So let's fix the DNS by going to GoDaddy. Then click here and click My Products. Now next to your domain name, click DNS. So we're going to add our MX records on this page. So let's scroll down and click Add. And choose the type as MX. Now in this field, just type at. And now we need to copy paste the correct server settings in this box. So let's go back to this page and copy this text and paste it here. Now enter 0 in this field and click Save. Okay, so the first entry has been added. Next, let's add the final entry by clicking Add and then select MX. Now type add here and then let's go to this page and copy the second setting. And paste it here. Now enter 10 in this box and click Save. Okay, so now we have added the MX records. So let's go back. And previously we had this error message. Now since we have added our MX records, let's click refresh. And as you can see, GoDaddy tells us that the MX records are correct. This means that our email forwarding will work. So previously we told GoDaddy to forward the emails coming here to Gmail. So now let's test if our mails are being forwarded properly. Okay? So let's go to a random Gmail account and click Compose. And try sending an email to contact@quicktechie.com. And click Send. Now if we go to the Gmail account where we forwarded a mail and click refresh, you can see that we have received a mail. So let's click it. So now if you click here, you can see that it was sent to a business email. So now we are able to receive emails to a business email. Next, we are going to see how we can send emails from this address. So right now, if we reply to this mail, it will still go from a Gmail address, which we don't want. We want our email to be sent from contact@quicktechie.com. So to send emails from a domain, we need an SMTP server. So we're going to get a free server from a website called SMTP2Go. Okay? So let's go to step 4, which is to set up an account on SMTP2Go. So to create the account, let's open a new tab and search for SMTP2Go. And then click the first link and click Try for free. Now let's enter these details and click Sign Up. Okay, so once you reach this page, your SMTP account is now ready. So now let's go to the final step, which is to add this account to Gmail. By doing this, we'll be able to send emails from the business email address using Gmail. So to add this account to Gmail, let's go there and go to Settings. Now click Accounts and Import. And now since we want to send emails from a business email, we need to click Add another email address. And you'll get this new window. Now first we're going to enter the from name which we want in our emails. Now this is the name which will appear when someone receives an email from you. So you can type anything here. So I'm going to type Quick Techie Support. And then here, you need to enter the same email which you used while setting up the email forward. So for me, it's contact@quicktechie.com. So I'm going to enter that. And then click Next. Okay, so now we need to enter the username and password from SMTP2Go. So let's go there and copy the username and paste it here. And then copy the password and paste it. Okay, so now to get the SMTP server details, let's click Finish. And copy the setting from here. And then paste it here. Now set the port to 25 and click Add Account. So now Gmail will send a confirmation code to your business email. So let's go to Gmail and go to our inbox. Now click this confirmation email and copy this code and paste it here. Now click verify. And we are done. Now if we go to settings and click accounts and import, you can see that our business email is now added. Now if you want, you can set this address as a default from address. So if you want to set it as a default email address, just click make default. And now all the emails will be sent from your business email. Okay, so now let's test it by sending an email from a business email and see if we are able to receive it. So let's click compose. And you can see that the email is being sent from a business email. Now you can still send emails from your Gmail address by clicking here and choosing your Gmail address. Okay? So now we'll test if we are able to send emails from a business email. So I'll select the business email and enter a test email. And click send. Now if we go to that inbox, you can see that we have received the mail. So let's open the mail. And now if we click here, you can see that the mail was sent from a business email. Okay? So now we are able to send emails from a business email. Next, we're going to see how you can remove this message which says via SMTP service. Now this message is being shown since we're using SMTP to go. If you don't want this message to be shown on your emails, there's a way you can remove it. So next, let's see how you can remove the sent via message. Okay? So in order to remove this message, let's go to SMTP to go. And then go to settings and click sender domains. Now click add a domain and enter your domain. So I'm going to enter quicktechie.com and then click add domain. So in order to remove that sent via message in Gmail, we need to give access to SMTP to go to use a domain. For doing that, we need to add these entries into a DNS page. So since our DNS provider is GoDaddy, let's go there and then click here and click My Products. Now click DNS and then scroll down and click Add. Now select TXT as shown here. Next, copy the host name and paste it here. And then copy this and paste it here. Now click Save. Okay, so now we have added the first entry. Next, let's add the second one. So click Add and select CNAME and then copy and paste. Copy this and then paste it. Then click Save. Okay, so now we have added both the DNS entries. Now let's go to SMTP to go and then let's scroll down and verify our settings. Okay, so now you can see that all our settings are correct, which means the message will no longer show up on our emails. So now let's try sending another email. So we'll go to Gmail and click Compose. And then write a test email and click Send. So now let's go to that inbox. You can see the message which was there on our previous mail. And now if we check for the new email which we just sent and open it, you can see that we no longer have the message. Okay, so that's it guys. This is how you can create a business email. Now if you want to learn how to make a website, you can watch this video. We show you how you can make a website in just 10 minutes. So after you have created a website, you can follow the same steps that we saw in this video to create your business email. And also, if you haven't subscribed to Website Learners, make sure you click the subscribe button to get more videos from us. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.